In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restart or power off your Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus or most Infinix phone. And this applies to also Android phones like Samsung and so on and so forth. Let's get started. As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. Locate settings up. Okay. Then you will locate systems. Why am I doing this? Right now, if you try to restart your phone by pressing down the power button, it will go. Just click settings, then locate system. Okay, then locate, press and hold power button, then change it to power menu. Okay, when you've already changed it to power menu, when you press it down, it will bring you the power menu so that you can either restart or power off your phone. So that is how you do it. Do not struggle with so much. Okay, let me just return it to the default version. So that is how you can restart your phone without much struggle on Infinix or 60 Pro Plus or most Android phones. Okay, thank you guys for watching. As usual, let's meet in the next video, and please remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this, because this really motivates me.